Do you ever notice your skin losing its glow, nails breaking more easily, hair thinning, or joints creaking when you move? Maybe you've tried creams, powders, or expensive supplements, hoping to slow the signs of aging, but the results feel underwhelming. The truth is, there's a hidden force in your body that controls how youthful, strong, and resilient you stay. Collagen, often called the glue that holds everything together. Collagen keeps your skin firm, your joints flexible, and your energy high. Without enough of it, even small movements can feel stiff, recovery slows, and your overall vitality drops. Most people don't realize they're not getting nearly enough from their diet. We focus on surface fixes, lotions, serums, and trendy powders, while neglecting the natural sources that can truly support our body from within. Imagine giving your body the building blocks it craves to rebuild itself, naturally reversing the subtle but steady effects of aging. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 surprising collagen-rich foods that could completely transform the way your body ages. These aren't just the usual chicken or beef. Some are foods you might eat regularly without realizing their powerful benefits. Scientific research shows that incorporating them can strengthen joints, improve skin elasticity, boost energy, and even support faster recovery. By the end of this video, you'll see that supporting your body doesn't require gimmicks, just smart, natural choices that make a real difference. If you're ready to feel stronger, look healthier, and slow the signs of aging naturally, stay with me, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Your body will thank you. Let's start with the first collagen-rich food, bone broth. You might think of it as just a comforting soup, something your grandmother made when you were sick, but it's far more than that. Bone broth is a traditional, nutrient-packed powerhouse that's naturally loaded with collagen, glycine, and proline, key building blocks your body uses to repair joints, strengthen skin, and support nails and hair. When you simmer bones slowly over hours, the collagen is released into a form your body can easily absorb, giving your tissues the support they need from the inside out. Scientific studies have shown that collagen from sources like bone broth can improve joint mobility and reduce stiffness, especially as we age. So, while you might notice your knees or shoulders creaking after long walks or workouts, a small daily cup of bone broth could make those movements feel smoother, almost like giving your body a gentle tune-up. Beyond joints, collagen helps maintain skin elasticity, smoothness, and hydration. Your nails grow stronger, your hair looks healthier, and even your gut benefits, as bone broth contains compounds that support digestion and intestinal lining repair. Preparing it at home is surprisingly simple. Start with high-quality bones, chicken, beef, or even fish. Add filtered water, a splash of apple cider vinegar to help extract minerals, and vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery for flavor. Let it simmer gently for 12 to 24 hours. You'll notice the warm, savory aroma filling your kitchen, signaling the rich, nourishing broth you've created. Strain it and store in the fridge or freezer. Even just half a cup in the morning or before bed can integrate seamlessly into your routine, giving your body a steady supply of collagen without any complicated supplements. The beauty of bone broth is that it's both simple and powerful. Many people overlook it, but every cup is like a small investment in your mobility, appearance, and overall energy. Skipping it may mean longer-term stiffness, slower recovery, and continued signs of aging that could have been mitigated. By making it part of your daily habits, you take control of how your body ages, feel more energized, and regain a sense of confidence in your movement and appearance. You don't need to chase the latest trends or spend on expensive creams. Bone broth is a reminder that some of the most effective anti-aging solutions come from time-tested, natural sources. A daily cup can help you move easier, feel younger, and support your body in a way that's nourishing from the inside out. It's a small change with a big impact, one that you'll notice in the subtle, empowering ways your body responds day by day. The second surprising collagen-boosting food is sardines. At first, you might hesitate. Canned fish isn't usually the first thing that comes to mind when you think about anti-aging, but these small, unassuming fish are packed with nutrients that help your body maintain strength, flexibility, and youthful skin. Sardines are rich in collagen-building amino acids, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, all of which play key roles in keeping joints lubricated, skin supple, and your overall body resilient. Omega-3s in sardines help reduce inflammation in the joints and support healthy cartilage, making daily movements feel smoother. Vitamin D works hand in hand to promote bone health, which is crucial as we age and want to stay active without stiffness or discomfort. Meanwhile, the amino acids provide the raw materials your body needs to produce collagen naturally. Together, these nutrients don't just support physical health, they help maintain the glow and elasticity of your skin, giving you that subtle, natural radiance that can fade with time. Sardines are also surprisingly beneficial for heart and brain health. Research shows that regular intake of omega-3 fatty acids can reduce the risk of cardiovascular problems, improve blood flow, and even support cognitive function. In other words, incorporating this tiny fish into your routine can help you feel sharper, more energetic, and better protected against the slow declines that often accompany aging. If the taste makes you hesitant, there are simple ways to enjoy them. Add small pieces to a fresh salad with lemon and olive oil. Top avocado toast for a nutrient-rich breakfast, or sprinkle over whole grain pasta for a savory boost. Even a tiny tin a few times per week is enough to start feeling the difference. For beginners, try mixing with mild flavors or incorporating them into recipes you already enjoy. This makes it easier to integrate into your daily habits without forcing a drastic change. The beauty of sardines is that something so simple and affordable can have such a profound effect on your body. By choosing this small but mighty food, you're giving your joints, skin, and overall health the support they need to slow aging naturally. It's a reminder that anti-aging doesn't require expensive supplements or complicated routines, just smart, accessible choices that you can enjoy while feeling nourished and empowered every day. The third collagen-rich food on our list might surprise you. Organ meats. Liver, heart, and kidney are often overlooked, but they are some of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat to support your body's natural repair processes. Packed with amino acids, vitamin A, zinc, and iron, organ meats provide the essential building blocks for collagen production, tissue repair, and immune function. These nutrients don't just strengthen your body, they help your skin remain firm, your nails grow strong, and your hair stay healthy, while also supporting joint function so you can move more freely. It's understandable if the idea of eating organ meats makes you hesitant. Many people shy away from them, thinking they're too strong in flavor or unusual in texture. But the truth is, even a small portion can have a remarkable impact. Start by incorporating them into familiar dishes. Blend liver into pâtés, mince heart into sauces or stews, or slow-cook kidney in a flavorful broth. The key is preparation that balances taste with nutrition, making it easy to enjoy these superfoods without feeling like it's a chore. Nutrition research consistently highlights organ meats as superfoods for collagen production. Their unique combination of vitamins and minerals makes them far more efficient than many processed supplements or powders. By adding even a modest amount to your weekly meals, you're supplying your body with potent nutrients it can use to regenerate connective tissue, strengthen nails and hair, and support joint health. These visible changes are subtle but meaningful, creating a sense of empowerment as you witness your body responding to simple, natural foods. Organ meats also carry a sense of rediscovery. For generations, these foods were valued for their vitality-boosting properties. And now, you have the chance to reconnect with a time-tested, natural approach to anti-aging. The best part is that you don't need to overhaul your diet. Small, consistent servings can make a noticeable difference. By embracing them, you're choosing to nourish your body from within, using accessible, affordable foods that outperform many modern supplements. As you consider adding organ meats into your routine, imagine the long-term benefits: smoother skin, stronger nails, healthier hair, and more flexible joints. These small but mighty foods are proof that anti-aging doesn't require complexity or cost. It only requires thoughtful, consistent choices. And stay tuned, because the next food on our list is another unexpected option that can further enhance your collagen production and overall vitality. The fourth collagen-rich food may surprise you, the part of the chicken many people avoid, the skin. While it's often trimmed away, chicken skin is packed with collagen, proline, glycine, and other connective tissue proteins that your body uses to maintain strong joints, flexible muscles, and youthful, resilient skin. By including skin-on chicken in your meals, you're giving your body the raw materials it needs to repair tissues and support mobility, helping you move with less stiffness and feel more energetic throughout the day. Many studies on amino acids and connective tissue highlight the role of these nutrients in repairing cartilage, strengthening joints, and maintaining skin elasticity. Even a small serving of skin-on chicken a few times per week provides a meaningful boost to your body's natural anti-aging mechanisms. This is one of those simple, accessible foods that often goes overlooked, yet it carries real, measurable benefits when integrated into your diet consistently. Preparing chicken with the skin doesn't have to mean excess fat or calories. Roasting or air frying can give you that irresistible golden, crispy texture while keeping it light and flavorful. You can also simmer skin-on chicken in soups or stews, allowing the collagen and proteins to infuse the broth, giving you an extra nutrient boost in a warm, comforting meal. The sensory experience, the savory aroma, the crispy exterior, the tender meat beneath, makes it easy to enjoy while supporting your health in a subtle but powerful way. The beauty of this approach is that it links directly to visible signs of aging. By nourishing your body with natural collagen sources, you can help reduce joint discomfort, improve skin firmness, and maintain flexibility, which in turn enhances confidence and the sense of being physically capable. You don't need complex routines or expensive treatments. Small changes in how you cook and eat can create noticeable results over time, reinforcing the idea that anti-aging is achievable with thoughtful, everyday choices. Skin-on chicken is a reminder that sometimes the parts we avoid hold the greatest value. By embracing this simple, nutritious food, you're not only supporting your body's structure, but also investing in long-term vitality and resilience. Over weeks and months, you'll likely notice smoother skin, stronger joints, and more ease in movement. These small, intentional steps compound into meaningful changes, showing that anti-aging doesn't have to be complicated. It just requires consistent, smart choices that feed your body from the inside out. The fifth surprising collagen-rich food is shellfish, including shrimp, oysters, and crab. Many people don't realize that these seafood options are not just delicious. They're packed with collagen and essential trace minerals like zinc and copper, which play a crucial role in maintaining healthy connective tissue. These nutrients help reduce inflammation, support joint flexibility, and improve skin elasticity, making shellfish a potent ally in the fight against the subtle but persistent effects of aging. Shellfish provide building blocks that your body can readily use to strengthen cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. Zinc, in particular, is vital for collagen synthesis, while copper supports skin and hair health. Together, these trace minerals work with the collagen in shellfish to help your skin remain firm, your nails grow stronger, and your joints move with greater ease. Incorporating shellfish into your diet is a practical way to nourish your body from the inside out, giving you a natural boost in vitality and resilience that creams or supplements alone cannot match. Preparation is simple and adaptable, even for busy schedules. A quick sauté with a touch of olive oil and garlic can create a flavorful, nutrient-dense meal in minutes. Steaming shellfish preserves their natural minerals and proteins, while adding them to salads, grain bowls, or light pasta dishes makes it easy to enjoy their benefits without drastically changing your eating habits. These small, practical adjustments allow you to integrate collagen-supporting foods naturally, making it easier to stick with them consistently and see long-term results. The benefits of shellfish extend beyond nutrition. By including these foods regularly, you may notice healthier joints, firmer skin, stronger nails, and improved mobility. The subtle changes accumulate over time, giving you a sense of empowerment and hope as you witness your body responding positively to simple, natural foods. Even small portions a few times per week can make a meaningful difference, showing that anti-aging doesn't require expensive or complicated interventions, just smart, intentional choices that support your body holistically. Now that we've explored all 5 surprising collagen-rich foods, bone broth, sardines, organ meats, skin-on chicken, and shellfish, you can see how incorporating these options gradually into your daily routine can transform the way your body ages. Each food offers unique nutrients that complement the others, supporting joints, skin, hair, nails, and overall mobility. By making these small but impactful changes, you take control of your health naturally and sustainably. Remember, anti-aging is not about instant fixes. It's about consistent, informed actions that nourish your body and keep you feeling youthful and strong. If you found these insights valuable, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more natural anti-aging strategies that empower you to take charge of your health and vitality.